This particular scheme in Walsall that we're looking at behind us is Austin House. This is where we removed old electrical storage heating in the block and refurbished the block to make it absolutely cutting-edge technology.
This area was particularly chosen because it fitted many of the criteria we were looking for this kind of scheme.
We had to make sure that the ground conditions were right for this particular type of system that we're going to use here, which is ground source heat pumps. We had to make sure that we'd got the correct orientation of the building, to make sure that we took full advantage for the photovoltaics, and that the building was suitable to withstand external insulation being fixed to its external skin.
To begin with, it's always important to improve the building fabric. So first step is to insulate the outside of the building.
We had serious drafts from windows and balcony doors, etc. previously. The draft proofing really was the key to it all, though. Once that was done afterwards, suddenly people found they got lovely draft-proof, nicely heated flats.
We had the radiators and the insulating outside of the flats, which has made it extremely warm without the heating.
The residents will see a significant reduction in their energy bills. Previously using electric storage, it's a very inefficient and expensive way to heat a property, but more importantly, it's not very controllable. We've given them a wet radiator system, which they have a time clock and a room thermostat to control, so they can actually tailor how they want to heat their home.
The radiators and the hot water is permanent now, which we didn't have before. We had storage heaters before, which made it cold by tea time. When you wanted to relax, you were cold.
This multi-storey block of flats that we're standing in now had its own gas communal heating system, but due to the refurbishment that was needed to that communal heating and the refurbishment that was required to its sister block that stands next to it, we decided to combine both of the blocks together and use a new technology to heat both blocks at the same time. That's why we went for a biomass solution, which is supplemented with solar thermal using evacuated tubes on the flat roof of the plant room. As a fail-safe, we've also got two 650 kilowatt gas boilers.
We're dying to see what it's going to be like at winter, because it's going to be lovely.
We believe we're already seeing the customers' energy bills being reduced. The homes are far warmer, they're more comfortable.
We've been in here 12 years and it was nothing compared what it is now. You're pleased to have visitors now. Best thing that's ever happened to us.
Good job done.
Good job done.